Cheerful welcome students. How are you all? I hope you all are healthy and safe at your home. Before we start our class, I would like to share something to you. I will point it out one by one. Brush your teeth twice a day. Have a shower. Stay hygienic and do your home fun regularly. Okay students, let's start our session. Today we are going to learn long E sound and we are going to do the book activity 7.1 in English Little Thinker. Before that, we will learn about long E sound. Long E sound. What we are going to learn today? Yes, long E sound. Long E sound. What is this? Yes, B. The spelling for the word B is B-E-E. B. Then what picture is this? C. Yes, E-A. C. Then say the names of each picture in the row aloud. Circle the picture whose name has a long E sound. Whenever we read, we have to read at least 2 times. Then only we can understand what is given there. So I am also reading 2 times, students. I am repeating it one more time. Say the names of each picture in the row aloud. Circle the picture whose name has a long E sound. Some pictures are given in each row, students. We have to say the names of each picture in the row aloud. Then we have to circle the picture whose name has a long E sound. First, we will say the names of each picture in the first row. This is tree. What is that? Tree. Corn. Frog. Bird. Here, which picture has a long E sound? Yes, tree has a long E sound. We will circle it. Then, in second row, hot, knee, snail, carrot. Here, which picture has a long E sound? Yes, knee. So, let's circle it. Knee has a long E sound. When we say the names of picture itself, we can find it out easily. In third row, bow, clouds, leaf, ball. Which picture has a long E sound? Yes, leaf has a long E sound. Circle it. Then fourth row, key, cat, socks, needle. Can you find the long E sound? Yes, needle. needle makes long E sound. So circle it. Then star, rat, dog. Then family. Did you find, students? Which picture has the long E sound? Yes, family. So circle this. Then let's see the names of long E sound which we have seen in the previous page. Let's read the long E sound word, students. Tree, T-R-E-E, tree. Here E makes long E sound, tree. Then knee, K-N-E-E, knee. E makes long E sound. Then leaf, leaf, L-E-A-F, leaf, E-A. The underlined bold letters makes E sound, leaf. Needle, N-E-E-D-L-E, needle. E makes long E sound, needle. Then F-A-M-I-L-Y, family. F-A-M-I-L-Y, family. Yes. Which letter makes long E sound? Y makes long E sound. But the sounds of the long E letters are varies. Yes. In tree we can see E makes long E sound. But in leaf E-A letters make long E sound. Then in family Y makes long E sound. So the long E sound letters are E-E, E-A, Y. E makes long E sound. E-A makes long E sound. Y makes long E sound. Let's see the E example words, that is long E words. Sleep, yes, S, L, L. E, P, P. So sleep. E makes long E sound. Tree, T, T, or R. E, tree. E makes long E sound. Like that. Sheep, S-H, sh. E, P, P, sheep. Then feet, F, E, T, T, feet. Then sweet, SW, sw. E makes long E sound. Then T, T, sweet. Then the last word, B. B makes B sound. E makes long E sound. So it is B. Can you hear the long E sound, students, in these words? Okay. Next, EA words. E-A-T, eat. EA makes E sound, that is long E sound. Teat, long E T, E-A-E-T, eat. L, ill, E-A-E-F, so leaf. Read, R-E-A-D, read, or R, E-A-E-D, read. C, yes, E-A-E, see. So here also we can hear the long E sound words, but the spelling is E-A. E-A, let us also make long E sound. Then Y, let us also make long E sound, students. Let's see the Y letter words. Story, story, yes, T-O-T, or R. Y makes long E sound, story. Then easy, easy, already we know that E-A, let us make long E sound, yes, E-A-E, yes, Y, long E sound, E, E-C, E-A-E, yes, Y, E, E-C, city. Before the vowel letter, we pronounce the letter C, C. Okay, students? C-I-T-Y, city, C-I-T-Y, city. Y makes long E sound. Then the last word, family, F-A-M-I-L-Y, family. Here Y makes long E sound. Okay, students, I hope you understood about long E sound words. Then let's see some more examples for long E sound words. First we'll see E-E, let us make long E sound. Free, F-R-E-E, free. Here E-E makes long E sound. Teeth, T-E-E-T-H, teeth. Then weak, W-E-E-K, weak. Eel, E-E-L, eel, E-E, let us make long E sound, L makes L sound, so eel. Then E-A, let us make long E sound, deal, D-E-A-L, deal. Here E-A, let us make long E sound, deal. Tea, T-E-A, tea. Seal, S-E-A-E-L, seal. Then leaf, L-E-A-F, leaf. E-A, let us make long E sound. Then Y, let us also make long E sound. Story, S-T-O-R-Y, story. City, C-I-T-Y, city. Only, O-N-L-Y, only. Lady, L-A-D-Y, lady. Y makes long E sound. Some words are repeating, students. It's okay. That is for your better understanding only. Okay, students, I hope you understood about the long E sound. Next, we will do the book activity 7.1 in English Little Thinker. Shall we do it? Okay, students, very good. Long E, long E. First, I will read the topic. Circle the words with a long E sound in the grid. I am repeating it one more time. Circle the words with a long E sound in the grid. Circle the words with a long E sound in the grid. First, we will read the yellow box word, students. Tree, T-R-E-E, tree. L-E-A-F, leaf. Here E-E makes long E sound in tree. In leaf, E-A let us make long E sound. Then city, C-I-T-Y, Y makes long E sound. Then T, T-E-A, T, E-A makes long E sound. Then meat, M-E-A-T, meat, E-A makes long E sound. Green, G-R-E-E-N, green, E-E makes long E sound. Okay, students, now we'll circle the long E sound words from the grid. Where is the first word? Tree. Find it. Yes, it is here in first row. T-R-E-E. Shall we circle this? Okay. T-R-E-E. Yes, we found the tree long E sound word here. T-R-E-E, tree. Then the second word is leaf, L-E-A-F, leaf. Where it is? Yes, it is in second row. So circle this, students. L-E-A-F, leaf. City. Third word is city. Where it is? Yes, it is in third row. City, C-I-T-Y, city. Very good, students. I appreciate you. Then fourth word is tea. Yes, it is here. T-E-A, tea. Then meat, M-E-A-T, meat. Yes, it is here. M-E-A-T, meat. Then we are going to circle the last word. What is that? Green. Yes, G-R-E-E-N, green. Here E-E let us make long E sound. Where it is? Can you find it, students? Yes, it is in the last row. So circle this, G-R-E-E-N, green. Okay, students, very good. We completed this activity. You too complete this activity in your English Little Thinker. Okay, students, with that we completed the activity 7.1 in English Little Thinker. Next, we are going to learn a new story, that is story for lunch time. What is the story name? Lunch time. Yes, the story name is Lunch Time. L-U-N-C-H, lunch. T-I-M-E, time. Lunch time. This story will be very easy and interesting for you, students. We can learn many new things from this story. This is the cover page of this story, Lunch Time. L-U-N-C-H, lunch, T-I-M-E, lunchtime. And in this story, we will meet a interesting person, Mr. John. Okay, students, I will teach you this story. We will learn this story in the next video. Thank you, students.